Many CAD software are available in the market today, and SolidWorks and FreeCAD are good examples. They are both well known and used by many professionals in different industries. This is why today we're going to help you to know more about the difference between their tools and features and what they are used for. SolidWorks was created in 1993 by John Horchik. Then it was purchased in 1997 by the company Dassault Systems. It is a CAD software that allows you to create drafts and complex 3D models with a high degree of efficiency. It provides a better design, visualization of products, in addition to faster iterations, improved communications, and helps engineers and designers to do their job properly. FreeCAD is an open source software that was launched in 2002. It is known for its parametric 3D computer-aided design capabilities, and it falls into the category of built-in information modeling as well. You can use it freely according to your needs, and you can even make changes according to the requirements you want due to its open source nature. It allows you to easily modify your designs by going back into the model history and changing its parameters. What are SolidWorks and FreeCAD used for? SolidWorks is a 3D modeler using parametric design. It generates 3 types of files relating to 3 basic concepts: the part, the assembly, and 2D drawings. It is used to develop mechatronic systems from beginning to end. At the initial stage, the software is used for planning, visual ideation, modeling, feasibility assessment, prototyping, and project management. The software is then used for the design and building of mechanical, electrical, and architectural elements. FreeCAD is used to sketch geometry, constraint forms, and shapes to use them as a base to build other objects. You can use it for 2D drawings in order to design objects, but this is not the main focus of its development. Its major purpose is the management of 3D designs. This software contains many tools and components to adjust dimensions or extract design details from 3D models to create high-quality production-ready drawings. Modeling and design differences. SolidWorks and FreeCAD are both used to make drawings and create models, but the process of creating these models is not the same. There are some differences that we are going to talk about. SolidWorks, as you might understand from its name, is primarily a solid modeler. It is parametric, which means you assign dimensions to your geometry that tell it how to behave. You can build your design with surfaces, and you can create any shape you can imagine which is reachable if you give it enough time and practice. Also, you can use solid modeling to create designs because solids have many benefits, but there are some limitations. Often your models will appear boxy and dull. The best way to benefit from this software is to use surfaces and solids to achieve truly realistic models using different methods. SolidWorks comes with a box of tools that you can use freely. This software is mainly known for its 3D features, but you can also draw 2D stuff in it. You can use its tools to convert your models into 2D drawings and add annotations, or you can draw your own designs using basic shapes like circles, lines, and so on. In FreeCAD, things are not the same. It doesn't come like SolidWorks with ready components, but it has some simple geometries like a cone, box, cylinder, and so on. To modify these geometries, you have to access many tools that can be used at any time for the modeling process. It has an open-based 3D viewer, which allows representation of graphs and also fast rendering effects of 3D final renders. And if you want a special tool or need to insert a function or a specific feature that is not available in the software, FreeCAD allows you to add them easily. You just have to be able to create a code or script using a specific language like Python or C++ to add other functionalities that are not directly available. And as a FreeCAD user, you can fully program these things in Python. Animations and simulations. You can create animations and realistic simulations with both SolidWorks and FreeCAD. In SolidWorks, you can create animations by dragging the time bar along the timeline to a specific point you choose, and then drag the component you want to create animation with to a target location. The Motion Manager moves the component from its initial position to the position you designed at a specific time. You can use the Animation Assist to create animations or to add rotation, bursts, and gathering of existing animations. In FreeCAD, creating animations can be more challenging, especially for beginners or those who have never learned the programming basics or coding. There is a workbench for animation, but if you learn how to code them in Python directly, you'll be able to achieve almost anything you want. If you are not used to coding, you can find help in the FreeCAD forum, where you will usually find ready Python scripts. Rendering in SolidWorks and FreeCAD. You can create renders by using both SolidWorks and FreeCAD. With both software, it is possible to very quickly present your customers with designs that are somewhat realistic and quickly understandable, without being a technician or an expert. You can also manipulate your designs as you wish in a very realistic way, compared to 2D drafts, which remain difficult for customers to understand. It is possible to create photorealistic renderings and animations with SolidWorks thanks to PhotoView 360, which makes things so much easier. PhotoView 360 is a SolidWorks recent add-in that produces photorealistic renderings of models. The rendered image shows details of the model in addition to decals included with the model. It is available with SolidWorks Professional or SolidWorks Premium. With these simple steps and tools, you'll be able to achieve realistic renders in SolidWorks. Rendering in FreeCAD is usually done indirectly because this software needs a second program such as PathRay or LuxRender, which are the only renderers supported currently. To be able to get realistic renders from within FreeCAD, at least one of these programs must be installed and configured on your computer. However, if there isn't any render engine installed, you will be able to export a project file to be rendered at another time. Industries that use SolidWorks and FreeCAD. SolidWorks is used by a wide range of industries like technical design, engineering, and manufacturing. It is also used in medical device companies, transport factories, and technical services. On the other hand, FreeCAD is basically made for mechanical engineers to help them do their job, but it is also used by many other professionals like architecture professionals, automotive engineers, and product designers. The learning curve. Beginners might find some difficulties using SolidWorks and FreeCAD because they both demand from you to have some basic information about using computer-aided design tools and software. You are probably wondering which one is easier to learn and use. SolidWorks is a good tool for mechanical engineering design jobs. It makes the process of creating 3D mechanical pieces or machinery even easier. Its interface contains some powerful tools, but few people use them. Sometimes it's because they are hard to learn or difficult to understand, and other times it is because they do something few people need. FreeCAD, on the other hand, is considered to be easy to learn as well to a certain extent. It provides many functionalities and tools that may help its users to have a greater experience. However, if you want to add a special requirement to the software, you need to master Python language or C++ to create the right tools and features. The point is, there is no hard or easy software. It is all about you and what you are willing to do. Any software is considered easy to use if you give it enough time and practice it long enough. You don't necessarily need to have years of experience to be able to use it properly. It can indeed appear confusing at the beginning, but all you have to do is to do the work and have fun along the way. Pricing and licensing. One license of SolidWorks Standard is $3,995, and the annual subscription service for a standard license, which covers technical support, upgrades, and more for 1 year, is $1,295. However, this software offers a free 12-month license for all qualified educators, hobbyists, students, and sponsored organizations. SolidWorks is not only available on Windows or Mac, but also on tablets and mobile devices. FreeCAD can be used with its free version, but if you want to go further, you can purchase the business version, which costs $185. Every student can register to apply for the free version edition, and the license is valid for 1 year. When it comes to FreeCAD, it is available on Windows, Linux, and Mac. Final thoughts. SolidWorks is an excellent product for mechanical engineers, and it is one of the most popular CAD software in the world. It is preferred and recommended for 3D and parametric design because it has a wide variety of tools that it can offer. FreeCAD, on the other hand, is the most popular alternative to SolidWorks, especially free ones. Its open source parametric nature makes it a great choice. This CAD software gives you the most popular 3D modeling tools such as Boolean, Extrude, and so on. As you can see, both FreeCAD and SolidWorks are powerful CAD software, but of course with some differences between them. And your choice depends on which sector of computer design you specialize in, your company size, or the field you are studying right now and the project you are currently working on, and even your budget and skills, of course. I hope you found this video useful and informative. If you have something to add, you can leave it in the comment section below. Also, you can check some of our previous videos. Thank you very much, and I'll see you in the next one.